Hello, my name's Trevor. I ordered a SnirtStopper for the bottom of the garage and along the sides. Very easy setup. All we had to do is just pretty much read the instructions and follow the guidelines. Started out measuring and put a dot with a Sharpie every 12 inches and just went along it. And to be honest, the hardest part is just the start. I ended up cutting out for my bottom wheel, barely got close to the guides, and just kind of went along and marked and screwed in every 12 inches and came back and screwed in every 6 inches. Probably the easiest door seal I've ever put on. And then on the outside, once again, started with the top and I marked out I think you put every 9 inches on here. And just kept her tight, follow along the old seal. And then just trimmed at the very end up tight, and then once again along the bottom, or the sides I should say. And just followed it all the way down, kept her tight. And then over here, once again, I ended up doing 2 doors for it. And the brown matches perfectly. I appreciate your guys' effort to make a better garage door seal because these are only 1.5 years old and they're already hard as a rock.